Video number 3. We are going to start now 1.1 question number 1. Before, just this table, in this one short form theorems are properties are given there. Okay, learn these properties to solve the 1.1. 1.1 question number 1. Question number 1 is base of triangle is 9 and the height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and the height is 6. Then find the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Okay, this one is a given information and find the ratio of areas of triangles. Now, using this information, given information, base of one triangle is 9 and base of second triangle is 10. Height of first triangle is 5, h1, h2 is equal to 6. Then find the ratio of areas of two triangle. To find ratio of areas of two triangle, that means a1 upon is equal to question mark. Area of triangle is equal to half into height into base. Okay, here we use the property, first property, the ratio of areas of, we know that, or we have the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height and corresponding bases. That means a1 upon a2 is equal to h1 upon h1 into b1 into h1, b2 into h2. Okay, a1 upon a2 is equal to, we replace values now, 9, 10, 5, 6. Here 9, 10 base, height 5, 6. 5 1s are 5 2s are 3 2s are 3 3s are, that means 3 upon 4. The ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to 3:4. Now, question number 2. In this question, in figure 1.13, BC, here BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. That means in these two triangles, AB is a common base. The value of BC is given 4 and AD is equal to 8. Then find the ratio. Okay, given information is like this one. Find the ratio of areas of two triangles. Now, in this triangle, the BC is equal to 4 is given information and AD is equal to 8. Look at this diagram. These two are perpendicular to same line. That's why AB is a base of this first triangle as well as second triangle. That means these two triangles have common base AB. Here, in triangle ABC and ADB have common base AB. That means by second property, by the property of areas of triangle, if base equal then corresponding heights, then area of the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to corresponding height, because base equal BC upon AD, BC 4 upon 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are. The answer of this example is 1/2. Here third example. Third example, given information is in this diagram PSRT. Okay, QT is equal to question mark. RQ, here RQ is equal to 6. PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 12. Okay, here two triangles. First triangle is find the value of TQ. Okay, here first triangle here QT and RP. QT is a height. Just look at this diagram now. QT is a height and RP is a base. Here in this triangle now, in triangle PQR, PS is a height and RQ is a base. Here obtuse angle triangle. Okay, in obtuse angle triangle, height is in the exterior. That means in these two triangles, base and heights are different. Okay, this one is a given information, just we mentioned by the property of area of triangle. In these two triangle, height and base are different. That's why first property, the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding base and height. Here we have mentioned corresponding base and height, QT. Here QT, if QT is a height, then corresponding PR is a base. Here again RQ is a base and PS is a height. Okay, here PQR, we use PQR, first triangle, second time also same triangle, that's why both are equal. Get cancel, 1 upon 1 is equal to QT into 12 upon 6 into 6. We replace the values. 6 1 here, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 1 upon 1 is equal to Q upon T. Cross multiplication, QT is equal to 3 unit. From given information, find the ratio of areas of triangle ABC and BCD. Look at the diagram. ABC and BCD. Okay, these two triangles are in between parallel line. Okay, between parallel line, that's why they have same or equal height. Also both triangles are on the same base BC. Same base BC. Triangle ABC and triangle BDC have equal height, equal base. Equal height because both are in parallel line, and equal base BC. Fourth property, if equal height, equal base, then areas are equal. Okay, by the property of areas of triangle, area of triangle ABC upon BDC is equal to AP into BC. AP into BC, get cancel here. That means ratio is 1 upon 1. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BDC are equal. That means the ratio is equal to 1 by 1. Okay, try to solve question number 5 for homework. Okay, question number 5 for homework.